we operate a mixed fleet of Boeing 747 and Airbus A330, and we fly long-haul scheduled destinations. We are very happy to welcome the team from Saint-Gobain Tape Solutions, and we are here to show how we use the Relink tape in our operations.
The three main problems we had on the carpet maintenance are the cleaning, the lamination, damage to the floor panels, and the repositioning of the carpets.
The key benefit of the Relink is that it was designed for purpose. It was a fully inclusive development process with aircraft manufacturers, carpet manufacturers, composite flooring manufacturers and MRO companies, the guys that are actually installing it. The key benefits would be the weight saving. It would be the ability of the tape to securely fix the carpet in place to avoid edge lift. And the key factor would be that the product is removed in one piece at the end of its cycle without residue and without damage to the composite. Saving time on the ground and saving costs of replacement of composite floor.